Happening now, at least 15 people are dead. Thousands of homes and businesses along the West Coast are destroyed. We're in the middle of a historic fire season. In California, nearly 30 major fires are burning. Deadly fires are also wreaking havoc on parts of Oregon and Washington state. Adding to that threat now, smoke and ash are spreading, which is making it difficult and dangerous to breathe. There's so much toxic ash in the air that the smoke trails are visible from space. Los Angeles residents are experiencing the worst air quality they've had in 30 years.
This year it's hitting us harder than ever. We will see increases in ER and hospital admissions.
Look at that. So far, more than 100 major fires have burned across 11 different western states.